How to enable two-factor authentication in Klarna. Want to make your account more secure? This guide shows you how to enable two-factor authentication in Klarna so you can protect your account. First, open the Klarna app and go to your settings. From there, select Security and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account's security settings. On the Security and Privacy page, you'll see a few options for login. You can enable Face ID or Touch ID to log into your account. This is a form of two-factor authentication and is a great way to secure your account. Once you've enabled it, you won't have to enter your password every time you log in. Click on Passkeys and Manage right here and click on Add a Passkey. You should also know that Klarna uses a one-time password or verification code for every login, which is another form of two-factor authentication. It is a great way to make sure no one else can log into your account. It's a great way to protect your account. You now know how to enable two-factor authentication in Klarna. Get ready to protect your account. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.